Standard 3rd, Subject English 1, Semester 2, Chapter 4, Sabina's Composition. Write true or false for this sentence. Sabina had to write a composition. True. Sabina was very happy when she returned from school. False. Sabina's mother asked her to forget about the composition and go out and play. True. Sabina was tired after playing in the garden. False. Sabina's mother told her to sit by the window and write about what she saw. True. The sight from the window was not at all interesting. False. As she wrote, Sabina forgot about the composition. True. When Sabina finished, her mother clapped. True. Sabina had written about keeping the environment clean. False. Without realizing it, Sabina had written a very good composition. True. Answer these questions. First one. What did the teacher ask Sabina to write? The teacher asked Sabina to write a composition. What topics did Sabina try to write about? Sabina tried to write about time, knowledge, and freedom. What did Sabina's mother ask her to do after returning from the garden? Sabina's mother asked her to sit by the window with a sheet of paper and pencil and write about something that she would see. What did Sabina write about? Sabina wrote about the sunset, the clouds, the distant hills, the river, the birds flying past the window, and the garden full of flowers. How did Sabina describe the cloud? Sabina describes the cloud like a ship sailing in the blue sea. How did Sabina describe the hills? Sabina described the green hills as if they were wearing golden crowns. Tick the correct answers. You can tick more than one if required. When Sabina returned from school, she was very sleepy, upset, happy. Answer is B. Upset. Sabina felt that writing a composition was a difficult task. She would never be able to write a composition. Her teacher would be angry if she went without a composition. All three options are correct. Okay? Answer means all three options. Sabina's mother knew that she would not write the composition because she was trying to write on topics she knew nothing about. A small girl like Sabina would never write a composition. She was not allowed to play in the garden. A. She was trying to write on topics she knew nothing about. Complete this table. Now students, this is question, okay? I am. We are, you are, they are, he is, she is, that's. I have, we have, you have, they have. Now we have to complete this table, okay? Answer is here. I am. We were. ये short form में है, ये full form में, okay? You are, you are, they are. He is, she is. That is. What is. I have. We have. You have. They have. Complete this common phrases using and or by. Little dash little, answer by. Up dash down and. Sooner, later or. Now, then and. Neat, tidy and. Back, forth and. Safe, sound and. Step by. There is a letter in each word that you do not hear. Circle it. स्टूडेंट इसमें जो साइलेंट लेटर होते हैं ना उसको सर्कल करना है हमें. ओके. नो, के इज साइलेंट. डाउट, बी इज साइलेंट. वॉक, एल इज साइलेंट. जो बोल्ड में किया ना डार्क लेटर्स में वो आंसर है स्टूडेंट. उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. ओके. विस्ट, डब्ल्यू इज साइलेंट. हाफ, L is silent. Catch, T is silent. Hour, H is silent. Knee, K is silent. Fill in the blanks with preposition given below. In, see this is the option student, okay. In, about, behind, near, of, from, above. It was a dull day. The sun was hidden. Dash some clouds. Little drops of water began falling. Dash the sky. Sabina sat. Dash the window and watched the scene. She would see flashes, dash lightning and dash trees. Sabina wrote dash her notebook. Sabina wrote a composition dash the stove. Answer is behind, from, near, of, above, in, about. See, look at the picture student. There is a tree, few clothes are hanging for dry. There is one hut, clouds are there, bushes are there, and see here is one rabbit. And few leaves and flowers are also there. Look at this picture. Note down 5 things you have seen and 5 things that are happening. Now write a paragraph in 7 to 10 sentences using the notes you have made. Answer. Things we can see. Now which are the things we can see, students? Tree, house, clothes, rabbit, clouds. Things happening. अब क्या हो रहा है things वहाँ पर? Clouds floating in the sky. Clothes drying on the clothes line. A butterfly fitting from flower to flower. See, here is a butterfly, bees. A rabbit coming out of his burrow under the tree. See, this is the burrow. A bird chirping on the tree. See, here is a bird. It is a pleasant day. A cool breeze is blowing. Some clouds are sailing in the sky. Some clothes are drying on the clothes line. The singing of the bird, the butterfly switching from flower to flower, the squirrel searching for nuts, and the rabbit coming out of its burrow. All this indicates that a new day has begun. B. Read section 2 in group of 6. Discuss these questions in your group. Share your ideas with the class. First question. What is a composition? What did Sabina write? Was it a composition? Can you give her composition a title? B. Answer. B. Answer. B. Answer. First one. A composition is a short essay written on a given topic. Second answer. Sabina wrote about the view from the window. Yes, it was indeed a beautiful composition. Now students, हमने title क्या दिया है? See, title a view from the window. So student, this is the first page of the chapter 36. इसमें हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए थे स्टूडेंट. एरर्स जो थे हमें इसको सर्कल करना था, मीन्स जो रॉन्ग था, जो सेंटेंस में फिट नहीं होता था, उसे हमें सर्कल करना था. वन इज डन फॉर यू. डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली? तो स्पीक्स नहीं आता है, स्पीक आता है. ओके, लेट्स सी द आंसर. सी यहाँ पर भी जो सर्कल किया हुआ है वो एरर है. ओके, एवरी चिल्ड्रन इन माई क्लास लव्स अवर टीचर. चिल्ड्रन एरर है, मीन्स ये रॉन्ग है, यहाँ पर चाइल्ड आएगा. वन ऑफ द गेस्ट इज प्लानिंग टू अराइव लेटली. लेटली रॉन्ग है, लेट आएगा. ओके, द कुमार्स लाइक टू रिलैक्स इन देयर गार्डन. सी देयर नहीं आएगा, देयर आएगा. THEIR देयर आएगा. आफ्टर स्कूल ऑन थर्सडेज आई गोज फॉर अ स्विमिंग क्लास. गोज नहीं होगा स्टूडेंट, गो होगा. So this is the error. You have to circle it. How many mistakes did you spot? Mrs. Mathur has an 8-year-old daughter. Years. Could I have 2 spoons of sugar in my milk? Sugars. Arjun's father gave him some advices. I saw an elephant walking down the road. Listen and speak. Listen to your teacher. Read out some riddles. Click and choose the correct answer. First one. Bird, clock, time. Vegetables and fruits. Lunch and dinner. Noodles and rice. जो करेक्ट आंसर होता है ना, उससे हमें सिलेक्ट करना है. ओके. Third one. An elephant, a table and chair, a newspaper. Cat, swing, pail. Animal, table, bird. See, here is the answer. First one, time, lunch and dinner, a newspaper, cat, table. CW 1 time and HW 2 times in your notebook. Okay, students? Thank you.